Hello retro YouTube community. This unbox is from a PlayStation 3 I bought broken. It just can't read the DVDs. It cost me €15 with cables. I've never had a PS3, so it's the first one I have. I'm also thinking about sharing the unbox of video games I buy throughout the year for PS3. Of course I'll show prices and show how much they cost today. Of course the acquisition videos will not be regular, so subscribe to watch the videos. Subscriptions help the channel to grow. The power cable that looks like UK with the adapter. Well packed. It's really dirty with dust and some glue. Easily cleaned. The old owner said to me that they had it in the corner of the house. Now a little treat for the beginning of my PS3 collection. Attention, I will present the image with a lower value that is for sale on eBay. It was recorded in December 2021, the value may change in the meantime. Metal Gear 4, cost €5. You can see the same game near to unboxing. I'm preparing another video. Bayonetta €5. And Metal Gear HD collection cost me €8. At least I think I made good purchases. If you like this type of content, don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you and see you next time.
Deves amar uma mulher pelo gameplay e não pelos gráficos. Esta dica é patrocinada por todos os gajos solteiros, que pensam que todos os buracos são trincheira.